let's get started. So for this, as I said, we'll be using an API. I just like found a random API. So it just basically gives you anime information about, like, just throws you different animes. And we'll just basically catch that and just display it, okay? I'm just gonna do a sync function. So since we have to hit an API, we have to use asynchronous functions, right? To load anime, it will basically load the anime here. And do const response equals, so this will be response. We have to wait it. Do fetch. I will fetch the API. We get the API here, just like that. And do const data equals to await response dot JSON. So that will change the JSON like response and change that to JavaScript object. And here do const grid. We have to get the DOM element for the grid, which is, where is it? This thing right here, this DOM. I'll get that. Do document dot get element by ID. I'll get that DOM. And initially, I'm just gonna set the grid dot inner HTML and set that to an empty string. I'm gonna be 20 this year. How old are you? All of you guys are like older than me. Then what will I do? Then go to university and handle my cafe, teachers. Just like Gabi, mine is Kadagiri Yuchi. It's kind of okay, I see. Now here, I'm just gonna loop the thing. So I'm gonna do data, which is, data. I'm gonna do data undo inner HTML. No, actually, the data for each I need to do data right? I need to do that and just do for each. I need to do anime. So this right here is basically a object. So if I just console and log this, if I do console.log and do data here and call this function for now, right? Call this function. Now you can also add an error handling saying if response is okay, but I don't want to do it. Inside this, you'll see data. So this is all of data for different animes, right? You can see So no Frieren and other stuff. So this is inside this data array of objects. We also have paginations, but we don't care about that. We only care about this data array. This basically holds all of our objects here. So we only need that. So we are using data, which is our data. Inside this, we're basically checking the array. And now for looping that array, to doing const genres, we need to get the genres first. To anime.genres. If the thing exists, we'll do anime.genres dot map. We'll get individual genres and basically do that and just do g dot name, and just get this thing and join by that. And yeah, so after joining, we have made the true state. So if it doesn't exist, we'll just leave it empty, just like that. Now what we need to do is actually make the loop. So I'm just going to do grid dot inner HTML, and we'll just append our thing here. Just gonna do that and just gonna copy that, paste that here. Hey Gabi, will you make a coffee website for me? If only you're not sure to not. I don't think I can. No, I'm not older than I'm a year younger. I cannot read. Wait, I'm just gonna wait. What does that mean? Alicia is 18. Wow. You didn't tell about language. What does that mean? I'm a little good at modding and modifying app. I want to learn web dev, at least basic knowledge. Yeah, it's fine. You can just learn. Everyone starts somewhere. It's fine. Katagiri, don't worry. Like I have zero experience with like mobile dev. I mean, I have like kind of touched Flutter, kind of. Okay. So here I'm just gonna do that and do anime dot images and do JPEG and do image URL. So that will be our image for all of that. Now I'll just close that for now. And here what I can do is basically set all of that. Now I have to set the things. I'm just gonna do that. Do anime.title. And here what I need to do is basically set a logic saying if anime.score exists, if it exists, then it will just like put anime.score. Otherwise, if the score does not exist, I'm just gonna put n/a. So it means not available. And for genres, we did make genres, right? I'm just gonna copy that, paste that there, and with that, I think we should be done. If I just format the document, it should like be just like that. And yep, that should be it. That should be it for the function. So the last thing I need to do is basically just append all of that stuff. So I can just do document dot query selector all, get the anime card, and just do for each card. I can just do that. Works as or. Yep, it basically Lumine. This operator right here. Oops, wait, what? Like this operator right here is basically or. Your voice is like kind of deep. Can you see wake up to reality? Wake up. Wait, that's not how Madara says it, right? Wake up to reality. No. No, like Madara is really deep though. Like wake up to reality. No, I suck at voice acting. Wake up to reality. No, I sound stupid. Madara is so cool. Like I love Madara, man. Elish that's Japanese. I was asking him whether he is Japanese or not. Card dot add event listener. I'm just gonna listen to that. So listen to all of that card, right? And we'll see if it is clicked. Now, if it is clicked, I'm just gonna run a function just like that, saying const title. I can also put a space to make it look cool, and do title equals to this being the card right here. We do this dot query selector and do anime dot title. We'll just basically set the text content. We'll get the text content for that. Just like that. Right? And just basically set the alert of opening. We'll just basically kind of imitate that title. Just like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I just call load anime. There we go. The anime should load just like that. This is all of the anime that the thing had, at least up until one stuff, right? And there we go. There's a lot of good animes like Kaguya-sama Love is War, Koi no Katachi, that is silent voice. I haven't watched Clannad. People tell me that's really good. I've watched Pottery Diaries. I have watched Monster. Okay, that's. I think you're talking about this one. Like I'm gonna watch that. I've also watched Soso no Frieren. That is Frieren. Science Kid is pretty good. And yeah, that is okay. Stop. I'm gonna stop yapping and start coding again. So I'm gonna have this thing load here. I'm just gonna finish the rest of the code. Now, after the thing, right, what I'm gonna do is set the navigation tabs, which is nav tab being these one right here. So like these things right here. So to do this, what I'm gonna do is just listen to that. Just gonna do query selector all and do anime hard and do for each hard. I'm just gonna loop that. Dr. Stone, do you think how do you think I'm typing when I watch Monster? Okay, I'm gonna watch Monster, okay? Don't worry. Nowadays I don't have time to watch anime, but like yeah, I still watch few latest episodes here and there, and that's pretty much it. And do that, and do const title equals to this dot query selector, and do anime title, get the anime title of that. Actually, wait. I'm just okay. Oops. Okay, I still need to do this, so I'm just gonna change that. I forgot I was making nav tab because I was watching thing, but okay. So here I still need to listen to tab. I need to listen to that. I also need to listen to a event here. Now, what I need to do is check. First, I need to do e.prevent defaults, right? To make sure the thing does not reload. And do document dot query selector all. And do nav tab and do for each tab. I can just set the. You guys cannot see because of the thing. MB. What is MB? What? Oh, okay, I get it. I'm like, what do you mean? You don't torment Alicia. Come on, man. Alicia, that basically means my bad. Gobby, don't forget take a look at Doki Team extension after the stream when you're free. Doki extension? What is that? It's basically just gonna do t dot. I'm just gonna remove the active and just like that, and also do this dot class list dot add active. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I just do that, it should be just like that. Pretty cool, right? Now it doesn't switch, I know, but like, this is how you switch between the thing. You just remove it and just put this whatever thing you're doing right here. And okay, so next thing that we need to make is the sidebar navigation. Doki theme, bro. Okay, I'm gonna check it out. Where you're from, Yuchi? No, prefer to say sorry. Yeah. it's fine. Okay, so for the sidebar, it's basically the same thing. We're just doing basically the same thing. So I'm just going to copy that. The difference is we're just using sidebar item. Oops. And here I'm just gonna put the item here. Do that, and also put that there. And I can change the iterating variable to something like I. But I guess it doesn't really matter. But okay, so we have done that, prevent default, and also added active. I think we should work now. So, okay, it doesn't work. I'm checking if I messed up somewhere. If I did that, document dot query selector all sidebar item. So for each item, we are basically trading that, removing class list. What is it? Uncode tab is not defined. So, oh, oops. So what I need to do is change that to item there. And it should work just like that. There we go. Boom. Gobi is nice. You're so my mom said no. Oh my god. Document dot query selector all. That is true, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly finish this. So next thing is I'm just gonna add the event listener to the play button, which is this button right here. So I'm just gonna listen to a click, and if the user clicks, I'm just gonna run a function here saying alert and just saying playing One Punch Man, just like that. So if I click over it, it should say playing whatever that thing is playing. If I click over it, it should say whatever that thing is playing. And that's pretty much it. So at last, I just need to set the same thing for that. So if I can just this is basically the same thing as this one right here. So I can just probably copy that, paste that there, and just format the document. I need to change that to popular item. Get the item, iterate the item, listen to a click here, saying the title, and get the h4 instead of getting the thing, and get the text content, and basically set the text content to title. And with that said, we are done with our thing. There we go. Now, it is kind of functional, kind of. You can basically set that, and just like that, and there we go. That is it for today, guys. I hoped you liked. It's Gobby, not Gobby, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Did you like this anime watching website? And yeah, that's pretty much it. What is happening in chat? It's awesome. Thank you. Hello, Brian. What's up? I haven't seen you in the chat. I used to say all good women don't you know what? What is happening? Lumine, no, it's fine, Lumine. I mean, if I'm here and if I can help, I will, okay? It's not like I am here because of that. I love teaching, but like, yeah, if I'm here, you can ask me anything, and that's it. Because in other tab I would watch tutorial. Thank you. Really. Damn. Okay. Thank you. When will you do live stream again? I tend to like live stream every single day. I mean, sometimes I don't because like I might be busy or I'm just not feeling well. So in those days, I don't tend to live stream, but I do come live every single day at 7 p.m. Nepalese Standard Time. With that being said, we can add slideshow in One Punch Man, like thumbnail, like this right here. Of other animes too. I mean, I could, but like it will just take time, and like I probably need to just I can do that next time if like I mean it's just like a carousel slider, but I mean I can do that next time. Thing is, like it's already almost 9. If you can see here, it's almost 9, and I tend to just leave when I'm on 9 to start. No, it's fine. Yeah, that's true. Like it's like similar to other anime watching websites like Crunchyroll and other websites. I don't know if I can tell the name because they're pirated websites. So just get what I'm saying. Someday I can create my own website like this because it's awesome and all the buttons, inputs, and hover all effects. Thanks to no, you can. Honestly, once you actually learn the core concepts, it's pretty damn fun. Pirated web is legal? No, it's not. No, it's not. The only reason people watch it because it's free. Okay, like piracy is not legal at any like anywhere in any point. It's not legal. The reason it's not taken down is because if you take one website down, like 10 more websites tend to like pop up. So like how many websites will you ban? Okay? Like it will never end. That's the reason. Like piracy will be there no matter like if you like it or not. Technically it's illegal. So I can always stay and think like a kid. Gabi, can I ask you something? Yeah, sure, go ahead. I mean, I'm here for that, so you can ask me anything. I mean, making a third party web for anime watching is legal? No. I mean, yes, it is legal if you actually go through like like proper contracts, like like people who sell anime, like all of these. I mean, these are just dummy websites. You can make this, but I cannot make it watchable. I mean, if I wanted to make this watchable, I would have to use an actual licensed API. Like I have to pay Crunchyroll or like not Crunchyroll, but other like anime streaming anime Japanese anime streaming websites. They'll give me an API with backend documentation, and I will receive that and I will use that in my website. So that is the actual legal process. To do that, you have to pay them commission. Okay, like I think monthly or something. I don't know how the anime thing works, but you do have to pay them according to like the contract in order for you to use the anime watching websites, like anime watching APIs, like streaming services, right? Like that's how Crunchyroll does it. So it's paid. But like other pirated sites, I don't think they do it. So that means you're saying that you'll. So you didn't answer my question. Will you make website if you'll be free? Will you just code JS? I don't know fully JS. Um, I don't think I can, Alicia. I'm sorry. Making a high anime is kind of legal or it's kind of third party. High anime is not legal. I'm pretty sure it's not legal. Alicia, I'm sorry. Like I am like I have my college work plus I also work like part time and also I need to study. Like I'm really kind of I have a lot on my hands. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You can see how I got from them just I'm sorry, Alicia. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I think we'll call it a day for today. So it means government can take action if we make illegal web, so we should buy API, right? Yep. That's the correct way. Thanks for that, sir. Downloaded it, and you can go. I can go how that effect in Visual Studio and try it. I love the ways so code, so clean. I totally practice that. Thank you. Just practice, and you'll get there. Don't worry. Like it's a matter of how much you are willing to put in the effort. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you. Okay, guys, thank you for tuning in. I'm very, very happy. Um, I will try it on off stream, Katagiri, don't worry. So, with that said, I'll see you guys in another stream. And yeah, can you make a tutorial on top red anime part? I mean, I can, but like, it's just hard coded though. Oh, this one. Oh, okay. So like how I got these, all of these. For that you have to learn JS. That is, it's like here. I have used an API, which is this right here, right? So like you have to understand what's API first, Lumin. So like API, if you have got the API from the website, all right, it'll basically fetch the API and put the JSON response to response variable. So we have to await it because since it goes through an HTTP request hitting the API, we have to get the response and we have to convert it into JavaScript object. So right now it's on JSON file, like JSON format. We have to convert it into a JavaScript, so that converts into JavaScript object, and we have to get that, and then I have console.log. So if I just come here and go to inspect, right? You see all of this. This is all of our responses. So like let's say aired this, there are a lot of other responses that we have, like how many websites, explicit genres and other stuff, like what is the title and the Japanese title, the English title, the synonyms or whatever, all of that stuff. So we have all of these. So we have altogether 24 of these. So you basically loop this in this. Okay. We have to learn the concept of APIs to actually get this. So I need to learn API. Yes. Oops. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you tomorrow, guys. Okay, guys. Is there anything free API? Is anything free API concept? I mean, there in our JavaScript series we have made APIs, so you can probably watch that. And yeah, guys, see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, see you. Good night, guys. Good night. Good night. Also, please add me on Discord. I will. Don't worry. I will. Bye bye.